In this video, I will show you how you can scan QR codes using your Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just open the camera app. Then tap on the four dots over here. Now just go to settings. Now under the camera settings, just enable the toggle for scan QR codes. Now after you enable the toggle for scan QR codes, you will be able to scan any QR code using the camera of your tablet. Now for an example, I will scan this QR code. Now I will place the QR code over here. Now just scan the QR code using the camera of your tablet. Now as you can see, we have scanned the QR code and it has given us the link of the QR code on the screen. Now to open the link, just tap on the link and it will open the website which is linked with the QR code. Now let's say if you have an older Samsung tablet and if you do not have the scan QR code feature in the camera app, then just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen. From here, just tap on widgets. And on this page, just scroll down and tap on Google. Now just add the Google search bar to your home screen. Now just drag the search bar and place it on your home screen. Now after you do that, on the search bar, just tap on the Google Lens icon. Now you can either do that or you can install the Google Lens app from the Google Play Store. If you want to install the app, just go to the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this. And from here, you will be able to install the Google Lens app on your tablet. Now to scan QR codes using Google Lens, just open Google Lens and scan the QR code using your camera. As you can see, it has scanned the QR code and it has given us the link of the QR code. Now if I tap on the link, it will open the website which is linked with the QR code. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.